clean sandy beach, salty sea breeze. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your dream coastal retreat, nestled right by the North Beach where the ocean's embrace meets modern living. Step inside and being greeted by an open living area, filled with a nature light and designed for relaxation and entertainment. Step out onto your private balcony and immerse yourself in the beauty of the coastal line, perfect for the morning coffee or evening sunset. Experience the ultimate coastal living in this luxury 2-bedroom apartment. Your seaside sanctuary awaits. Schedule a tour today.